Hi, my name's Gary McGibbon and welcome to my YouTube channel, which is all about cycle touring, camping and everything cycle touring related. So sit back and enjoy the ride. Welcome to Travelsonabike 2.
Well, another late start. Later today, 10:30. We've only got a short 11 miles to get home. I might go on a detour to see some friends, not too sure yet, but yeah, I just had a nice chat with a bloke in the caravan next to me. Told me that he popped by last night. The tent door was open and I was fast asleep snoring inside, and he said, "You must be really well content." I said, "Yeah, I'm not too bad." But to be honest, it was more to do with going to the pub, I think, than anything else. Right, I better just concentrate on this road because it's quite busy. I'll speak to you later. Welcome to Bosham, spelt Bosham. Typical English spellings. Well, we see many a car gets stranded here when the tide comes in, even though the sign says watch out. Let's have a quick look. Village, but they're just very busy. The tourists, goggles. Now there is a path goes across there. Look over there to try it. Ouch! Go over. It's alright. Why not? Ooh. Expensive houses around here. They're probably all up their own houses here. Well, the cows look a bit ominous. As I say, this floods, you can't come here when the tide's in, or around this bit. The whole area floods. Good channel. Ouch! Ooh, it's long. Right. Ooh, we get out that one. This isn't good. No, I'm not going that way. I'll go the way I came. That would end in tears from me. Bosham, not much of it, but very pretty. Right, start down road again. Actually, next stop will be Chichester. And we're back in Chichester. Well, we're nearly back. I don't know, about a mile, maybe 2 to go. Probably a bit more actually, but maybe a mile till we get to Bognor. You may notice I have the same t-shirt on all the time. It does get washed every night, so I don't really stink that much. Yeah, well, that's it. Tour's over. Hopefully we'll get home and there'll be a letter from the hospital telling me when I need to go in to have this hip done. But we'll see. Well, until the next time then, goodbye. Is it safe to turn off? No, I can hear another car. Right. Why is it every time I talk to myself start singing or say something, there's somebody behind me. Every time, guaranteed. Anyway, he was a friendly chap. Not. I wonder what that's like. Camping. Oh, bloody mud on the roads. Oh. Well, I will turn you off in a minute when there's no cars behind. Or maybe there's another cyclist behind. They don't know. Right, come on in. Thank you very much. Oh, another one. Oh, we're not going to wait. Oh, I'll come a bit closer as well. Tossers. That's it now, thank you, goodbye. Oh, I lied, that's not it. I'm not finished talking.